To add colors in StudioWorks, come here to the Setup tab, and then you'll come to this tab, Manage Colors. And we will also enter in a custom RGB color and name it yourself if you have some already selected. So you can also add a color here as well. Make sure if you're going to do a custom color that you have a printed copy of it someplace and not just a screenshot of it, because print reproduction of colors is much different. But we're going to select a Balfour color, and you just simply select the color, move it over, and then select Save, and that will be saved in your pile. If you keep these boxes unchecked, only these colors will be available to your users. If you want them to have access to the full palette, which I don't suggest, then you can also give them access to it. But if not, you can save it. You can also run a report on where those colors are used, and it just runs a PDF that comes up that will show you where in the process each of these colors is used. You can see these are just on a few pages. And to add fonts, you just come here to the font list and simply, just like the same process, pull the font over, and then it's in your font list. You also want to make sure to select a default font so that when a text box is made, it's in that default font. By design, Times is in this set. If you don't want Times in your book, you need to remove it. And if you try and remove a font that's in your book, you'll get this report that says this is in there, and then it'll tell you what pages it's on. So if you change fonts, you can remove that font. There is this list of fonts that's in your program if you choose to let people make ads online. And if you're going to allow people to make ads online, these will be in there. We can remove these fonts if you decide to turn off Ad Builder. And make sure you save your process, but it will ask, and that's how you add fonts and colors.